Good morning, everyone. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to our most breathtaking escape, Suluada Island, famously known as the Turkish Maldives. As the Travelers Choose team, we invite you to discover a side of Antalya that remains pure, untouched, and absolutely stunning. Suluada is not just another island. It is an untouched sanctuary. Located on the western edge of the Lycian coast, this volcanic island is a world apart from the busy city centers. It offers a unique natural harmony that is rare to find anywhere else in the Mediterranean. What makes it the Maldives? It's the contrast of the pristine white volcanic pebbles against the glowing turquoise sea. The lagoons here are so clear that visibility reaches up to 25 meters, making it feel like you are swimming in a giant natural aquarium. Our adventure begins at the charming Adrasan Bay. As we set sail on our 45-minute cruise, you will enjoy the panoramic views of the Taurus Mountains. Keep your eyes on the water. This is a protected habitat, and it is very common to spot caretta sea turtles and dolphins playing near the boat. Tour highlights. The Suluada experience is packed with highlights. We explore 3 distinct swimming bays, each with its own character. You will have the chance to drink from the island's famous natural freshwater springs, and, of course, capture those iconic Instagram-worthy shots on the white beach. One of the most magical moments is our stop at the Love Cave. As you swim through this natural rock passage, you will feel a refreshing cold current meeting the warm seawater. It is a unique geological feature that provides a natural cooling effect even on the hottest summer days. At Travelers Choose, we don't just offer a boat ride, we offer excellence. With a 98% guest satisfaction rate, we pride ourselves on being the most organized operator in the region. We handle every detail so that your only job is to relax and enjoy the paradise. All-inclusive comfort. Your comfort is our priority. Our package is fully inclusive. We provide door-to-door transfers in luxury air-conditioned minibuses, a freshly prepared Mediterranean buffet lunch on board, full travel insurance, and even afternoon tea and fruit service as we sail back. Tour package options. We offer flexibility for every type of traveler. Whether you enjoy the social atmosphere of our standard luxury group tour or prefer the absolute privacy and gourmet catering of our private VIP yacht experience, we have the perfect option for you. Your day in paradise. Timeline. We have carefully timed the day to ensure you get the most out of every location. We start with hotel pickups around 7:30 a.m. and have you back at your resort by 6:30 p.m. It is a full day of sun, sea, and relaxation, perfectly scheduled from start to finish. Don't just take our word for it. Guests like Sarah from the UK, who has visited the real Maldives, agree that the water quality at Suluada is truly world-class. Our team goes above and beyond to make sure every guest leaves with a smile and a camera full of memories. Are you ready to experience the Maldives of Turkey? Booking is simple. You can reach us instantly via WhatsApp at +90 536 367 7794 or visit our website. Let's make your Antalya vacation unforgettable. Thank you for your time.